Alright, so what we're looking at is a Lexus nx200t. The problem with this vehicle is that the right rear caliper sees up, so that's what we're going to replace today, and let's do it. And also, please, if this video helpful, consider to subscribe, like and share, so hopefully we can grow this channel and help more people. So let's do it. Let's do this. So as you can see here, um, the rotor is cooked. It's metal to metal. It's very hot. It's been a while that this car driving like this. So there's no way that we can fix this caliper. So before you begin, you have to retract the parking brake, because it's got this electronic parking brake. So the easiest way to retract is to use the scanner. If you don't have a scanner, you can use a 12-volt battery and just unplug the motor and just put the current on it, and it will reverse that motor manually. So now the motor is reversing. There you go, let's stop. And now we can begin removing the caliper. So first, unplug obviously the connector, loosen the brake line. So this is how you do it. First you have to lose the brake line before you remove the caliper, because if you remove the caliper then lose the brake line, then you're gonna have a little bit of hard time to remove it. So at this point, while it's in attached, it's solid, so you can remove the brake line first. But you don't have to remove it yet, just loosen up, that's all. So now you're gonna need some wrench, and you can see here the pads is gone. And the boot of the piston is gone. You can see it's very rusty. And now you can, before you remove the line, you wanna pinch the line first so that the fluid will not leak out. So I use the vice grip to pinch the line. And here now I'm taking off the banjo connector. So here it is. So now we're going to separate the parking brake motor to the caliper. So we're gonna take this to the bench. So here, and you got one bolt on the top. You have a one bolt Allen key bolt on the top, and the bottom. There's one on the bottom. So there's only two screws. And here's the new caliper. So now what we're doing is removing the parking brake motor, and we're going to transfer it to the new one. So once the screw is off, then you just have to pry it out. Just be gentle because this is made of plastic. You don't want to break it. So this is what it's inside. So now I'm preparing the new caliper. Put some grease in it. It comes with the grease. And then don't forget the O-ring. There you go. So now we're ready to put the parking brake motor back. Put the screw back. And there it is. Done. So now it's ready to go to the car. Taking off the bracket. I'm going to clean it. Make sure you clean the bracket before you put it back. So there's two bolts at the back, top and bottom. And you're gonna clean this slider also. Remove the rotors. Here's the new one. Just put the nut here just to hold the rotor. Now there it is. Put the bracket back. Now put the pads. New pads. There. And then the new caliper. And now you go back, you bring the banjo back, banjo connector back, the brake line back. So make sure you clean everything here because it's rusty. So you gotta make sure that it's all clean. Even the bolt, nuts and bolt. Especially this banjo here is really rusty. So make sure you clean that up. And then after this, all you need to do is to bleed the caliper, and that's about it. So I'm hammering it to crush the trash washer even further so that we don't have a leak. So that's it. We are done. All we have to do now is to bleed the system, and that's it.